Connect with our chartists to find out levels that they're tracking as well as their views on the banking space. Nooresh Merani joining in and Kunal Bothra right here with us in our studios. Kunal, why don't we start off with talking about that, shift in allocation within some of the large private banks. Where is it that you're expecting momentum?
So, good morning, Avan. I'm expecting momentum to be, in the very similar kind of names. For example, IndusInd Bank has been one of the better performers from the private sector banking names. Axis Bank has been amongst the top two candidates, except for the last couple of days of selling. I think the stock has been a lot more resilient at the 950 to 1000 odd mark broadly for Axis Bank. The two underperformers in the banking names and the private sector banking heavyweights, of course, in fact, three are HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Kotak Bank. I would probably expect that maybe the sell-off in HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank could be behind, and we may expect these stocks to at least stabilize, if not fall, further from current levels. So I believe that leaves with possibly Kotak Bank maybe underperforming for some more time. But I would still believe IndusInd Bank looks to be the strongest name. The stock has been a relative outperformer with respect to many of the other peers, even in the last 3 to 6 months broadly.
Okay, IndusInd Bank, the top choice from Kunal. Nooresh, hi, good morning. What is your take on the Nifty? Another week of underperformance, weak handover from the globe. Is it going to be a red day for us, given that it's a truncated week and expiry as well to deal with?
So expecting this sideways move to continue, and we would be on the fourth month wherein we are at the same place. So the last time we were around this 19,500, 700 mark, we first crossed it in July of this year. So July, August, September, and October, we are just at the same place. So we've seen that flip towards 20,200, 19,200 on the lower end, but we've still managed to be in this range only most of the time. So for now, 19,300 is the last bottom. 19,200 is the previous bottom. Till the time we don't break that, the trend remains to be sideways. On the upside, similarly, 20,300 is the upper band. In the near term, once we start crossing 19,800, that would be an indication of positiveness. So for now, the momentum is more on the mid cap and the small cap side. There are stock specific actions happening more on the broader market. Index continues to be in this struggling band of 19,300 to 800. So not expecting much. Even today, we could expect some bit of a recovery from that 19,450, 500 mark. But tough to take a larger recovery from here.
Let's nail it down to